Hello students, I'm again with you all with a new project on Scratch in continuation on our Scratch series. So we will move for a new game today and we'll create this game on Scratch. You can give any name to this game, but I call it is a bouncing ball game. So let me show you my screen for this. Yeah. So as like my previous lectures, first we need to go on Scratch. So I use here online platform. So I go for scratch.mit.edu and here you need to click on this. Okay, now you log in with your username and password. Now you click on create. Okay, so here we have again cat sprite. We have to delete this because we don't need this. So for our bounce ball game or bouncing ball game, you need three sprites basically. So let me make all these. So I go and choose a sprite option. Let me choose a ball. I click on ball. So there is ball with me. You can take any of the ball. Let me take this one. Now, second one, you need to choose the green paddle so that your ball can bounce with that paddle. So let me find paddle on Scratch on given list. Now I click on it and I give appropriate position for this sprite. Now I again click on this. Now what I need to do is I need to make a base. So you have two options for making the base, and one is I click on this choose a sprite and there is option with you brush. You can create the base. Okay, so over here, let me create a base with red color. So I choose red color from here. Okay, and after choosing this, I make it as a base like this. Now see this will appear on my screen, but the problem is the size. Let me reduce the size. See, it will appear on my output screen with my clarifications. Yeah, here it is. This will become your base. Okay, this will become your base. Now, another way is you can use directly this sprite from the given list. So if I click on choose a sprite, there is a option with you. The name is this lava line. So you can choose this lava line and drag it on this position. That is your choice, whatever you can use. So let me choose this one now. Let me rename this sprite. This is your red line, or you can say baseline. Okay. So now I want to give a perfect look to my game. So for this, I need to choose my backdrop. So I click on it. Okay, I need to choose some backdrop which is better. Have some lightish shape, that is better. If I have some lightish shape. Okay, let me choose this one now. Okay, so let me put my paddle over here. Okay. So this is my game screen now, which is perfectly ready with me. Now we need to start coding. So first, what we want that my ball should start bouncing. So I need to choose my ball from the sprite list. Now after choosing this, I start my programming with as obvious when go for events and the yellow color click. When green flag click, it means what should happen with our ball when we click on the green flag. Our ball should start bouncing in that case. And when our ball should start bouncing, we have various directions for the bouncing of the ball, various angles for bouncing of the ball. Your ball can bounce in 90-degree angle, can be bounce in 60-degree, minus 60-degree, or 40-degree, or 45-degree, whatever be the angle. So here I need to give the angle. So over here, I go in motion to give the angle. There is an operation that is point in direction. I pick it up fix it over here. Now, point in direction. There is only one angle that is 90, but we need two angles. One is in positive direction, another is in negative direction. So for this, I go on green color operations, and there is option pick random. I fix it over here, and let's suppose let me give angle over here. Minus 45 is in left direction, and 45 is in right direction, because it's optional over here that your ball can bounce in right or maybe left. Okay, so your ball can bounce. We already provide the bouncing angle to our ball. Now what we need, we want that my ball should start bouncing continuously. So for this, for bouncing, I need to choose my I go on motion, choose move 10 steps over here. Now, whenever I click on green flag, see, my ball is moving, but only see, but on random positions, but on random positions. What I want, that is bouncing must be continuous. So for this, I go on control section. Again, use this forever loop. Again, the meaning of forever loop is whenever we want something in continuity, we use forever. Or if especially when we don't want any condition. But when we want any condition, in that case, you have to choose other loop, like that may be if then, that may be repeat, that may be another one, basically. But forever is without any condition. So I choose this. Now over here, I again should start clicking on that. Now see, my ball is again outside the screen area. See, here is my ball. It is bouncing, but outside the screen area. But for this, again, we need to go in motion, and there is an operation with you. If on each bounce, I pick it up, fix it over here. Now see, my ball start bouncing, but the problem is my ball is bouncing without any condition. Without any condition means it doesn't matter over here that a green paddle over here or a red baseline over here. So for this, we have to do programming. So how to make this programming? For this, let me go on control section. Let me stop my game. I go on control section, and there is operation with you if then. Now I'm taking up a loop again, if then. I took if then because here we have to give condition. So here if then means whenever your ball touches the green paddle, your ball bouncing only in that condition. Otherwise, your ball should stop bouncing. So over here, I choose if then loop to give condition. So I go on now sensing the sky blue color operation with us. So I pick it up this touching section. I fix it over here. Now let me change the mouse pointer. I want this paddle. Okay, means whenever my ball touching the green paddle, in that case, my ball should bounce. So I let me duplicate this angle again. I duplicate it, fix it over here. Now, whenever my ball touches the green paddle, it is bouncing. See, it is bouncing. Over here, you can give sound also. So let me go on sound. See, there is sound, pop sound. Okay, it means whenever my ball touches the paddle, it will give you sound. Now, one for the for ball and paddle, I gave you the total coding, but still we left with the red line or the baseline. Oh, I click on this red line. Let me go and assume. Let me clear it. Wait, let me select it and fill the below space. Now it's look better. Okay, now after this, I go on again my ball. I have to give condition for a red line also to a ball. Now let me take if then loop again. I go on control section, and there is again let me take if then, fix it inside the forever again, and again go on sensing. Now this time I'm taking this touching again, but over here we need to choose our red line. I gave the name line red line. So whenever my ball chooses the red line, in that case, my game should be stopped. It means we quit or we out. So in that case, we need to go on control again. There is operation with use stop all. I pick it up, fix it over here. Now, when I click on green flag, see, whenever my ball touches the red line, my game stops. Okay. So now the remaining part is my paddle is not in moving condition now. I have to make my paddle in moving condition. So for this, I need to do coding for my green paddle. So I click on my green paddle now. And whenever I click on green paddle, what I want that my green paddle is moving on left and right side with my keyboard, left and right key. So for this, I need to go on motion. There is an operation with you when the sprite clicked. Okay. When the sprite clicked, I pick it up. Actually, see, when the sprite click is another option with you. So you need to give keys option over here. Let me remove this. Okay. So over here, let me give right arrow. It means whenever we press right arrow from our keyboard, in that case, our pedal should be move on right side. So for this, I need to go in motion and move 10 steps. I pick it up, fix it over here, and give 10 steps. Now in the same way, let me duplicate this coding and put it over here. This time I need to give the position on left arrow, left side. So basically I need to type the direction over here. Let me put minus before 10 because this is opposite side in comparison with right. Now your pedal is moving. Now see, whenever I click on green flag, I can, let me click again. See, I can move with my paddle. Okay. But the problem is my speed for my paddle is very slow. So let me increase the speed. Let me make it 20. So now because of this, the speed for your paddle is better. Let me show it to you. Now I click on green flag again, your play button. Now see, better speed. Now I have better speed. So this is the game which we created right now. Okay. So I hope you understand it. But still, if you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you. Thank you very much for today's session. Thank you all.